become so much.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has hailed Prime Minister Narendra Modi and said he has all respect and love for Prime Minister Modi, adding that the Prime Minister has taken North East to new heights. In an exclusive interview with DD India correspondent Vishal Baristo in his constituency South Tura, Sangma declares that NPP is open to post-poll alliance.
The Honorable Prime Minister is somebody I deeply respect. He has been somebody who has shown a lot of care for the Northeast region and for our state also. We have received a lot of support from him in the last 5 years. So definitely the respect and the love is always there. He was always very close with my late father also. So all the relationship is always there. These are election times, so of course every party will say their own things and will make statements in the election campaign. That happens, but I'm sure that even in the future, as we go forward and in the next 5 years, we will still continue to get the support from the Honorable Prime Minister.
Polling in Soyang constituency has